Hello friend, today I'll show you how to connect your TikTok Business Center account with your TikTok account. Okay, I think TikTok account with your Business Center account. This is Business Center account. First, log in your Business Center account, and in other tabs, log in your TikTok account. You have to try it from the same browser. Okay, then click here, then user setting, and please subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page. And if you have any question, please comment below. I will reply. Then TikTok account, link TikTok account. Okay, then uh, password, your business center password. Okay, I will bring the password, then confirm it. Okay, and new window will open, and you have to authorize it. And see this TikTok account and TikTok business center are showing here. Then I will authorize it here. Okay, so you now you can show here only. See this is your TikTok account. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please feel free to comment. I will reply. And please subscribe my channel and also follow my Facebook page. And you will get my all contact in description box. If you need any help, please contact me from the description box. Thank you.